There's a couple of well, quite a few of them out there.
Oh, yeah.
They're pretty nice looking birds, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Black belted, totally the red.